Let me tell you what's going on in the Panhandle right now.
Okay.
Winds have just gusted to 77 miles per hour at Muleshoe up in the Panhandle, and they have a zero visibility dust storm going on. 2 inches of snow on the ground near Dalhart right now. Roof blown off a trailer northwest of Amarillo. Not related to a thunderstorm. This is just wind with the cold front that's coming.
And it's coming down this way eventually.
Yeah, it'll be here overnight. In the middle of the night. Might wake you up even. More on that in a minute. We're going to begin with a look at a wind advisory that has already been issued in anticipation of this front. Now, in our viewing area out there in San Saba and Mason County, that's technically a lake wind advisory. The lighter blue shades there, our northernmost tier of counties under officially a wind advisory. Well, essentially means the same thing. We're going to have winds gusting 15 to 30 miles per hour, or averaging, I should say, tomorrow, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Beginning early in the morning, we may see some gusts to 40 miles per hour. Let's hope they're not to 70 miles per hour like in the Panhandle. Now, the National Weather Service has not included the rest of our area, including Austin, in any kind of wind advisory. That may change, though, as we continue to gauge this front as it comes down from the northwest. Boy, look how warm it's turned out to be this afternoon. Finally, we were a little bit chilly this morning there at the dog walk for a while, but now we're back up into the low to mid-80s in some areas, mainly 70s here in the metro area right now, upper 70s in some spots, and off to the east, a little bit cooler there, except down in Luling, where it is 80 degrees. That's another live look from our downtown camera, actually our Lake Travis camera out there at the old Steiner Ranch Steakhouse. Here is our downtown cam, and you can see that this afternoon, not a cloud in the sky. This morning, it was completely overcast, which kind of kept it cool all morning. So we've gone clear now. It's 79 in the city. It's 76 degrees out at the airport. Winds are 3 to 5 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is at 7:45. Should be a nice one. Okay, here's why it's getting so windy and there's so much cold air coming down. There is a major storm system moving across Kansas right now. Winter storm warnings in effect in these areas. Up to a foot of snow or more may fall in some locations. Meanwhile, ahead of that system, we're very warm, but that cold air is beginning to surge south. 37 in Amarillo, 72 in Lubbock right now. So you can certainly see where that frontal position is currently. It will move right on down through the area. By 3 o'clock in the morning, it's blown into the metro, and then it'll continue to progress on down to the coast. Will be windy, will be much colder tomorrow than today, with highs maybe struggling to get back to 60 degrees. But there'll be some sun out tomorrow, but it won't be a pleasant day, I don't think, because of the wind. The lows tonight falling way back into the 40s. I bet we see some 30s in the morning, even in the hill country. And then tomorrow afternoon, these may be optimistic. I think some spots don't even get to 60 degrees tomorrow. Gusty winds after midnight tonight when that front blows through your area. 45 degrees in the morning in Austin. 63 tomorrow afternoon. North winds averaging 15 to 30. Gusting even higher. And then we've got some cold mornings. This is downtown Austin Monday and Tuesday morning. That's going to translate to a light freeze out in the hill country, maybe even some upper 20s in cold rural locations out there, possibly the coldest metro areas too. And we're hoping for a little rain toward the end of next week.